everyone, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. Hello Libra, this is your love reading for the month of October. So hopefully Libra will have some awesome stuff. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Also, this is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising, so could check those videos as well. Messages could resonate. So Libra, let's see what's there for you in love. So first we'll pick up your energies, your person's energies, and then we will see a likely outcome. So your energies, Libra. Nine of Swords in reverse. So let me just see, this is person, this is the situation. Nine of Cups. So some of you are coming out. Let me tell you. Some of you are coming out, you are trying to regain balance. This is what I get from a relationship which was stressful, which was difficult. Maybe there was a breakup, there was a no contact, no communication kind, and you have gone through a lot of stressful days and nights, and lot of sorrow and pain. But now you have starting to balance your emotions. You are trying to distract yourself with other things, like going out with friends and taking care of family. You are in the self-care mode. So some of you are in the self-care mode, like self-love mode. Maybe you are busy with your work, but it seems that you had a hard time letting go of something, or still you have not completely healed. Like there is some amount of healing. If you have gone through a difficult time, there is some amount of healing, but yes, it is much balanced than before. You are much balanced than before right now. This is what I feel here. Queen of Cups, like balancing your emotions, even if things are not as perfect as they should be, or not great as they should be. So this is what I see here. I feel there was an issue with the communication, your person. Let's see what else, Libra. Will take out more of your cards, and then we'll see your person's energy. So Libra, love, October. The Emperor and the Five of Swords. So Libra, Five of Swords came in reverse with the Emperor card here. It seems that you went through, you have now control on your emotions. You have gone through a lot, like there was a lot of stress all the time, conflicting chaos in your relationship. You found somewhere I'm getting the feel that there was more of back and forth issue here. One person committing, the other not. One person giving, the other not. There was, I feel this is like, but now you are giving up on a situation. This is what I get here. You are trying to give up or controlling your emotions here. This could be your person could be an Aries or a fire sign. This is Sword, so Aquarius, Gemini, Libra here. So now you are trying to regain your balance. You are doing other things rather than love, focusing on love here. This is for some of you here, Libra. One more card and we'll see. Then we'll pull out your person's energy. It seems that you are really heartbroken, and there has been a lot of issues regarding communication or not putting an effort. Yes, so you are holding on. Some of you are still holding, you are using your strength, mental strength, to get over this situation. Like you want to, this is again holding on your emotions, and you're stuck and waiting. Maybe some of you are waiting for your person to get in touch with you, or message you, because you did your part. You did everything that was required for the relationship, Libra. This is what I feel here. But at present, that I see that no, you are holding on your emotions, holding on. You're giving a brave front. You are not showing others that things aren't okay. You are trying to pretend to like all is fine, but then here it's like some of you are healing, and some of you are waiting for the universe, or you are waiting for a blessing from the universe, so that your person can come back or reach out to you, or waiting for a message to come. So these are your energies. Now we'll pick your person's energy, Libra here. Let's see your person energy. So I will be using the Mystic Tarot, Mystic Monday deck. Sorry, I'll just pick this card. From 14th October is like the Mercury retrograde, so you know this period is significant in love reading, because it's high time your ex, you know, partners, ex-lovers could just fly back into your life or get in touch. So it's like that. Your person's energy, Libra. Princess of Swords. So this is like, yes, let me take out Princess of Swords is your person. They are younger person than you. And King of Pentacles. So for some of you, Libra, it seems that your person is busy with work and other, this is the King of Pentacles. They might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So they are busy with other priorities in life. They have given priority to their work, to their money. King of Pentacles. And they are not much into love or emotional bonds with you right now. That is what I get with the King of Pentacles here. But they keep a tab on you. They watch you on social media. They they keep a check on you, what you are doing, how things are going, like, you know, maybe also information from friends or any other social media platform. This is your person's energy. Maybe I feel that, you know, with a Page of Swords, it's like they want to message you, they want to reach out to you. We'll see how it goes in the outcome. They want to reach out to you, you know, maybe you will receive a small message, something small, like, you know, reaching out, you might receive from your person here. So what else? The Empress. So Libra, this is your card again. And the Lovers. So this is positive card. So definitely some of you are having reconciliation, some of you are getting back your person. It shows Lovers card here. Here, so Gemini, this is your if your person is Gemini, it could be other signs, but you are getting back together. There's the reconciliation happening. There is still a lot of attraction. That is what I see here, Libra. A lot of attraction between you see them, and you are the Empress energy, because this is the Libra card. But somebody coming forward, one will come forward and with a message, or they will reach out to you, and a reconciliation will happen in October. This is what I get here, the Lovers card. Let's see what else. Finally, something. It seems that you or your person felt betrayed, or hurt, and there was some of you are getting over that, and some of you are still stuck. This is what I get here. Or maybe there was some truth which your person did not tell you, which you found out later, or you'll be finding out in October. So that is like something you're gonna find out, or you must have found out. This is what. Then we have the Tower and the Two of Pentacles. So it seems that once your person is back and forth. Even here it seems they are confused. Sometimes they want relationship, sometimes they want to move on, so they are indecisive, immature. That is what I feel here. Sometimes they feel that they have moved forward, and sometimes they're still stuck on you. Two of Pentacles, so they will make a choice, it seems here, because Tower card is, along with the Tower card, this is the situation. So maybe it's their choice. They are gonna make a call. They are going to decide whether to stay with you or move. I mean, this could be you even. The energies could be vice versa. It could be you even. You could make a choice. That. Either to stay or move on. So this is what I get here. Your energy, your person's energy. Yeah, but I feel your person thinks about you. They feel about you. They still have that. They cannot let you go. This is what I feel for some of you here. Yeah. So let us see the likely outcome, Libra. What could be the likely outcome? What would be the likely outcome for Libra here of their relationship? What could be? So Page of Wands, definitely positive. Let us see here. Ace of Swords, definitely communication coming here. Knight of Swords. So yes, there is a reconciliation for some of you, especially if it's a fire sign, air sign, because you have wands, and so Sagittarius, Leo, Aries, and Aquarius, Gemini, Libra again. So there is a reconciliation. It could be other signs as well. There is a reconciliation. One person is really, wanting this relationship at a very intense level. This is what I feel here, Libra. So definitely reconciliation. Also Mercury retrograde time, when exes or ex-lovers get together, so that could also be one of the reasons. But there is reconciliation for some of you, and some of you may still feel stuck. There is this situation here. So this is it, Libra, for you here this month. Hopefully you if this resonates with you, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and thank you so much. Stay blessed.